Velo, USD exchanges close $0, which explicitly generally is genuinely huge in a significant manner. Velo explicitly generally has a medium-term opposition at $0 in unpretentious manner. Velo's EMA fundamentally generally shows a very lovely descending pattern in an all things considered huge way in a very large way. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which especially is genuinely critical in an essentially large manner. The 8th of May 2023. In this video we will explicitly basically walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and truly attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly clarified something. What for the most part is truly transient cost expectation for Velo. Generally is Velo a very wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Velo support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. In any case, prior to plunging in every way that really matters, profound into the Velo specialized examination, in a real sense let us in every way that really matters, discuss the kind of current economic situations, or so they most certainly thought, market examination over the by and large last 24 hours. There generally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole digital money market to $1,136,850,397,543 in a for the most part huge manner. The really all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $47,516,158,315 in an unpretentious manner, or so they thought. Bitcoin shares 46.94% of the entry market while Ethereum essentially has a strength of 16.33%. Truly further appearance how Velo support and opposition levels and so on, in every way that really matters, truly in spite of mainstream thinking in an unpretentious way, which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM especially has seen a value diminishing of 3.71% coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours, which generally is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $313.13. Following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time period in a really significant manner. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP sort of is somewhere around 6.93 and at present exchanging at 42 cents, which essentially sort of is very huge, which is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% and esteem incredibly. These occasions in a real sense show that the market generally is going in a really descending course for most certainly present moment. Or so they especially thought. Right now, a reasonably kind of broad fundamentally bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which especially shows that Velo, USD exchanges close $0, which sort of in every practical sense, is genuinely critical. Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize really key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Velo specialized examination. In every practical sense, let us in a real sense discuss the exceptionally current economic situations amazingly. Support vary as a level at which purchasers sort of become all the more truly dynamic and entirely prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly is very huge. Similarly, opposition in a real sense basically is a level at which dealers generally in a real sense become move genuinely sort of dynamic and for the most part basically prevent the coin's cost from moving in every way that really matters, higher in an unpretentious way in a sort of enormous manner. Following generally truly are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution as per value examination market file. Velo most certainly is exchanging at $0 and exchanging volume of $1,543,743, showing how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. However, Velo in every practical sense has a value decline of 5.82% in the genuinely last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week with a really all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 USD, showing how XRP, the very local coin of XRP in a real sense, is somewhere near 6.93 and right now exchanging at 42 cents in an unpretentious manner. Velo value examination Velo cost investigation for the 8th of May 2023 inside a day-to-day time span in every way that really matters, sort of made sense of beneath in an essentially large manner. We utilize truly relative strength index, moving kind of normal assembly and difference, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including certainly straightforward moving kind of beautiful normal and dramatic moving genuinely normal to for the most part investigate the future development of the Velo, which certainly is very critical. The truly relative strength file shows that the Velo coin sort of is in oversold stage, as RSI by and large is at 30, which especially is genuinely huge. The VELO, USD moving commonly truly normal union and dissimilarity marker fundamentally is demonstrating an extremely present moment in a real sense sell commonly signal as the MACD line truly is moving underneath exceptionally signal line, which in every way that really matters, implies actually basically bears essentially are overwhelming on the lookout, showing how the VELO, USD moving certainly normal combination and uniqueness pointer explicitly is demonstrating a truly present moment truly sell kind of sign as the MACD line generally is moving beneath truly signal line which true implies in a real sense bears generally are ruling on the lookout, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. While Velo's Williams %R marker truly is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an oversold condition and momentary pattern especially inversion fundamentally is conceivable. So similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which dealers especially become move especially dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in a very significant manner. Bulls can move the market in vertical heading, showing how Velo support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they generally in a real sense thought. Velo quite is moving in descending heading concerning the most part bears effectively essentially take the coin beneath prompt help level of $0, exhibiting that however, Velo truly has a value decline of 5.82% in the last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week within in every practical sense. Complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 USD, showing how XRP the especially genuinely local coin of XRP explicitly generally is somewhere near 6.93 and as of now exchanging at 42 cents, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking, or so they truly thought. Presently Velo ought to in every way that really matters. Track down a help at $0 probably the dealers could then focus on the urgent help level put at $0, showing how however, Velo in a real sense sort of has a value decline of 5.82% in the sort of last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week within all things considered. Complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 USD, showing how XRP the by and large local coin of XRP by and large is somewhere near 6.93 and right now exchanging at 42 cents, which especially is genuinely huge, and Velo truly is presently encountering a critical negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to especially suggest that the digital currency fundamentally is in an unstable circumstance that can't generally be redressed, further showing how support truly is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense explicitly become sort of more genuinely dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly is very huge, regardless of whether the cost essentially is falling consistently. It truly is guessed that the two help levels will especially act as serious areas of strength for certainly and cause the pattern line to bounce back once more into the truly sure zone, so which brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87